few moments later.
Tonight, we gather to celebrate the beauty, talent, and sheer fabulousness of our beloved members of the vibrant LGBT community. Get ready to be swept away on a whirlwind of glamour, charisma, and fierce competition as these incredible collegians grace the stage with their presence. So buckle up, hold on to your tiaras, and prepare to be dazzled as we embark on a journey of empowerment, diversity, and unapologetic fabulousness. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Queen of Number One's production number. Let's give them a resounding applause.
Hi, hello, and mabuhay. My name is Pia Valera Cerezo, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Social Work at the university which believes in the pursuit of perfection, University of Baguio. And tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name, ang babaeng nagpasikat sa linyang, I am confidently beautiful with a heart. Sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan your Miss Pia Alonzo Wurzbach. Happy Fiesta Kabanatuan!
Hi, Barney. Hi, Ken. My name is Kate Quisapara, all the way from Poblacion, Dolores.
Jana Blancafor, 22.
Hi, hello, and mabuhay. My name is Maria Juana Alwina Tabiola Barberos Neres Gallardo. Opo. Opo, apat po ang apelido ko kasi apat ang tatay ko. All the way from my dear barangay.
Barangay Kabaruan.
Ang hindi pumalakpak, mamamatay. Ang hindi pumalaw, masusunugan ng bahay. Joke lang po. This is Elaine Arden, a 20-year-old stunner hailing all the way from the Vegetable Bowl of the North. Since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the way. Ang nag-iisa, Katrina Halil.
Our last but not the least, let us welcome Aya Repotola Asuncion. Aya Repotola Asuncion stands tonight as Miss Sheena Halili. Miss Sheena Halili is a proud resident of Baguio. This candidate with a sexy body currently measures 32, 24, 33. And this registered midwife candidate aims to be a registered nurse by next year. And she also loves browsing the internet. Alright, let's all welcome once again. Take it for the dirty energetic performance candidate number 7. Alright. Down to our last two candidates. Let's welcome candidate number 8 on her talent portion. I also like the answer. Pag-ilation ang bigyan pansin. And you said that as a health practitioner, you'd love to talk about our population and its effect to our world leaders. Congratulations! Ka na ng top 5. Makakahinga ka na ng malalim. Candidate number 8. Two spots down, 3 more to go. Parte ka sa top 5. Candidate number. Keep that smile painted on your face because you are part of the top 5. Candidate number 7. Congratulations! Una kong tatawagin. Our first runner-up, the award of our first runner-up will be presented by Miss Camille Castelo and Miss Millicent Tamo. Our first runner-up will be receiving sash crown with gauge, trophy, and cash. And for the Queen of Comando 2024, it will be presented by Capitana Shelly Martinez and Attorney Denmark Martinez. The winner of tonight's competition will be receiving sash, crown, bouquet, trophy, and cash. Ating first runner-up ay no other than ang ating first runner-up ay walang iba kundi si candidate number. But before anything else, I would like to thank Sir John Colbadera for being here in Barangay Kabaruan. Walang iba kundi si candidate number 1. That is our winner
Kanda ko'y